Hi Mahara,
Hello.
we're back again and we're here to do our reflection on seminar number
8.
Okay, this seminar was to do with statutory interpretation of the case of Mandela.
Mandela was a case where a Sikh boy was told to remove his turban when he was at school, so this was a form of discrimination.
And what we were told to look at was, obviously it was related to statutory interpretation, so we were learning on how to do this. So we were looking for the issues in the case,
The reasons for the issue,
the
literal rule,
ratio,
literal
rule,
purposive,
and policy issues. So these were the things that we were considering in this. It was quite beneficial, this seminar, because
again, it did help us with our ALT, which was
big help.
Big help, thank you for that. It was getting closer to our ALT date, where we had to actually do our real analysing legal text. And with all this preparation that we were actually being provided with and all the help that we were getting from our teachers, we are really thankful for that.
Basically, what happened was, first of all, when we started, it was just like, this is really hard, this is hard, we don't know what literal is, we don't know what purposive is, what is it? It was just too hard. Gradually, as we got along, we had Scarlett at this point, our seminar teacher, changed. She explained to us gradually, she said that, okay, these are your rules, this is what it means. Then after that, we started to learn how we identify issues, how we identify the literal rule, and how we identify the purposive rule. Again, it was just like, you have to read everything, read over it twice. We had to read the case beforehand as well. And then we had to look for policy issues as well.
Yeah, policy issues. Right. Then policy issues related. How did we find out policy issues?
Well, they were
and was at the end of the case?
Yeah, that was the thing that we did right at the end of the
end.
Statutory interpretation. But it's to do with what are policy issues?
It's like floodgates and issues.
They're issues basically relating to the public and they're non-legal issues.
Non-legal issues, yes.
So that was quite hard. We found that bit quite challenging.
Yeah, that was a bit challenging because at first, when we got used to do literal rule and the purposive problem, we did find that challenging as well, because you have to look for specific words where the laws actually do speak, and that's the part that we found hard. But when it came to the ratio, we started got familiar with ratio. We have done it in previous seminars.
Yeah.
But then when it came to the policy issues, at first the policy issue was hard because all we could think of was floodgates. But as we go on, we find different issues and the way judges interpreted it, how we could actually affect the public.
And then not only that, it was really hard because we're obviously doing a law degree, and for this you have to take off like your legal head and put it to one side and just think policy. So that was something that we found hard because whatever we were thinking, it related to law somehow. So again, this was really beneficial, but I think it was a difficult seminar. I'd say it was probably one of the hardest seminars.
But one of the most effective seminars.
Definitely, because it helped us with our ALT. But that was seminar number 8. And thank you for listening, Mahara. And we shall see you soon.
Thank you.